All right, welcome back. If you haven't seen already, I am doing a giveaway. So make sure you go check my website, beardedbrickbuilder.com, and check the giveaway. This one will be done on Cinco de Mayo, 5th of May, and it's the Indiana Jones fighter plane chase. This right here box I'm giving away. So go check that out. Enter. You don't got to buy anything. Just enter your stuff. Follow me on some things, and you'll be entered. All right? Go check that out. I deliberated for a while to figure out which set I wanted to build next. And I was going to do Sonic the Hedgehog, but I think I've had one that's been just eating away at me for a long time, and I'm going to do that. So this is the one I'm going to start today. Boom, the Typewriter. This is one of the first ones I bought, and it's just been sitting there. So I'm going to get this one started today. It is set number 21327, 2,079 pieces. Lego Ideas number 35. And it is a working typewriter. I'm sure it's not a new set, but you've seen it. It works. It actually does the typewriting function. It doesn't have ink and actually type words, but it moves and it works, and it's going to be cool. So I'm going to get this bad boy opened up, and then we're going to start building it. There it goes. Holy cow. Okay. Get this organized. I know. So that's kind of cool. It's that piece of paper that you can put in, so it looks like you're typing, but it's got the same thing in 48 different languages, or 43 different languages, whatever I said. Dear Lego friend, blah, 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 a bunch of stuff. It looks signed. That's pretty neat. All right, well, that's it for the unboxing. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I see a lot of green, so I think it's going to be a lot of redundant parts, but we'll see. I'm excited to get into the mechanics of everything and see how that actually works. That should be a good time. Other than that, I think I'm going to get started. I think I'm going to build probably the first bag today. Oh, that's cool. I'm so glad they printed everything on there, the letters, because I couldn't imagine doing all those letters and number stickers. So thanks for that, Lego. All right, I'm going to get all this organized, get everything set away, and start building. So let's see what the first bag looks like. Okay, well, that was a whole lot of doing the same thing over and over. So as you can see, I did each thing like 9 times pretty much, except for these parts at the end right here. So that was the end of the first bag. Not as bad as some of the sets that they have out there, like the Eiffel Tower, where you're doing things like 40-something times each. That has to be absolutely mind-numbing, because this was mind-numbing. We're off to a good start. Got all this done, so I think I'm going to call it quits at bag number 1 today. We'll see how many bags I can knock out tomorrow. Other than that, if you got any questions, you want to chat, hit me up on all my socials, and look for that giveaway. Cinco de Mayo. I'm giving away the Indiana Jones set for free. shipping, everything. I'm going to take care of it. Yeah, but if you have any questions, hit me up on the socials. I'd love to chat with you. And yeah, see you next time. Peace.